Hey fam, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be about this shampoo comb brush. I don't know if that is how it is called generally, but for me, that is how I call it, the shampoo comb brush. This small tool here is very essential in the shampoo process. And towards the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you a demo on how I actually use this on my natural hair. Now, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please pause this video, hit on the subscribe button and also on the notification or the bell button so that you are notified whenever I upload any of my videos which is related to natural hair care, product reviews, anything on natural hair. Okay, so back to our mini shampoo hairbrush. This tool is used when shampooing the hair to smoothen the hair and detangle the hair, as well as to massage the scalp for more blood circulation to the scalp and ultimately hair growth. So here's a demo on how I actually use this tool on my hair. So I was washing my hair and I decided to film how I use this shampoo brush on my hair. First of all, I begin by raking my hair with my hands, and then I go ahead to massage my scalp with the shampoo brush. This thing is very good when it comes to getting on the scalp and massaging the scalp with it. So whenever I'm doing my shampoo process, I usually like to go in sections because I want to have a thoroughly detangled hair even before the conditioning process. I don't do people. So this is the time that I use my shampoo brush to detangle the hair. And let me tell you something. This thing does the job, okay? It really does the job. And so after I'm done using the brush, then I will go ahead to use my fingers to section and also to rake it through. So this is basically how I use the shampoo comb brush in my regimen, and usually it is on wash day. If you haven't tried this, girl, I encourage you to try this using this on shampoo days, and then you are going to skip the pre-poo process in all if you do this. So guys, this is essentially how you can use this mini hair tool on your natural hair. I would love that you try this out and then you let me know how it is. And if you already have this tool, let me know if you use it in your regimen and how you use it. You can find this tool in any shop that sells natural hair tools and also natural hair products. Some of these shops sell accessories, product accessories. Some of these shops sell natural hair accessories, so you can get them from there. So that's about it for today's video. This was a quick video, but I hope this video was useful. If it was, do let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you in my next one. Until then, do stay blessed.